Going back to our rule, you always start with vocabulary. When Ismail alayhi salam, he learned the Arabic language from Jurhum, from this tribe of people. At that time, it wasn't written, it was spoken. So you need to have a heavy emphasis on learning how to speak the language and learning how to repeat sentences and expressions. And then grammar will come later, which we are going to talk more about it in another rule of when we need to start using the grammar. And this is why in Andalus Institute, after every lesson, the student is forced to go into a call with an instructor where he then goes ahead and practices what he has learned in that lesson. He practices it in a spoken manner. Because what I have seen from my experience, not only knowing 5 different languages fluently, but as well from having seen students learn the Arabic language from a basis of grammar and then getting to the end of the program and not knowing how to speak because they were focusing on the book and the rules taught in the book and understanding them and making sense of it. And then they get to the end and they actually don't know how to use them. So I will show you inside of Andalus Institute how that works in the next frame.